Hi guys, it's Mark Deacon here from Deacon's Martial Arts. We're just going to go through today the first 4 beginners kicks that we do with people when they come into us on the first few lessons. Okay, if you like it and you want to see more of it, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you can see all the new stuff when we start uploading it. Okay, so first 4 kicks we're going to run you through. The names are front kick, side kick, round kick and axe kick. So Livy's going to grab that shield there and we're going to take you through the first kick that you need to know, which is a front kick. It's the easiest one. Okay, so from your guard position, which you should hopefully know your guard position and your basic movement from a previous video that we've done, which will teach you your basics of guard stance and movement. Once you've done that, this is where you should be. So a front kick, you can do it off either leg. For now, I'm going to do it off this rear leg. We're going to bring a knee up into the chest. We're going to keep my toes pulled back towards my knee, and I'm going to stomp with the bottom of my foot, like this. Stomp. Okay? Now, you need to pull the leg back in. Don't leave it out and scrape it down. So don't do that. We want you to pull the leg back in. There. Okay? Lots of different martial arts teach it differently. Some teach it this way. How we do it, this is all you need to know for now. So knee up, push forwards, and you can do it with the next leg. Knee up, push forwards, like that. So again, you can practice that in your own time. Do 10 or so on each leg. The second kick is a side kick, and we always teach it in this order because it's nice and easy to teach. And it's similar to the front kick, as in it's stomping. Okay, so rather than it being forwards for the front kick, for the side kick, from here, we're going to turn sideways to bring our hip sideways, our back foot, toes pointing backwards. I'm going to bring my leg up similar to before, knee in, toes this way. I'm going to keep my foot sideways and I'm going to stomp it out, put it back in and put it down. Okay, so again, I can do it off my front leg here, side kick there. I can do it from my bouncing position, side kick, moving around, and side kick. Or you can do it off your rear leg. So if I did it from this position here, I've been moving around. I'm going to come up through the middle, turn, push, chamber and down. Okay, so from there, up through the middle, turn, push, chamber and down. And obviously you can do that a bit quicker as you go and as you get used to it. We can do it in more detail than this, but that's fine for now. And if you're struggling, video yourself and send it to me, and I'll give you some help. The third kick we're going to do is an axe kick, so we need the focus pads for this one, and it's much like, literally, I've just said it, it comes down like an axe. So on this one, you're hitting with the heel of your foot, and you're striking straight down. Traditionally, you hit with the heel. My advice is when you hit something hard with your heel, it hurts, so I would, particularly with the kids, point your foot and slap with the bottom of your foot, but there's 2 ways of doing that there. So an axe kick comes around and chops on top like this. Chop. Okay, so facing this way, it comes around, chops down like that. Again, I can use either leg. You can go this way. The way we teach it is you go across your other leg and that covers the groin and stops you being kicked in the gonads. So you're going to bring it this way, cover the groin and then strike down off either leg. So again, from here, I could do any leg. I'm going to go up, chop it down, moving around, any leg, up, chop it down. And the last kick that you need to know for kind of beginner level is a round kick. And I've left this one to last because it's a little bit more complicated. First thing you need to be able to do on a round kick is point your foot, think good toes, ballerina, okay? So you're going to point your foot, curl your toes under, so it's really pointy. You're going to hit with the top part of your foot, maybe even down into the bottom part of your shin. Okay, you don't want to kick with your toes out this way, he says, this way, because you'll hurt your foot, you'll smash your toes. Okay, so keep your foot pointed. If you do it off your front leg, similar to the side kick, we're going to turn, but this time I turn and point my foot, turn, point, and kick. There. Again, different places teach it differently. Some bring it up here and whip it around. We like to do it all in one motion. Turn and kick. There. Same off the other leg. I'm going to come through and around. I'm going to lift it around as I come through to kick. Okay, again, some places will teach you this way. Not my preferred method. I like to come around. There. Hit him with the top of the foot. So again, on the pads here, pads sideways on. I'm going round kick. If it's the other leg, going round kick. If it's my front leg, I'm just going from there and I'm going to lift it up, round kick, and I'm hitting with the top part of my foot. Okay, hope that helps. That's front kick, side kick, round kick. So front kick, side kick, axe kick, and then round kick we did. And they're the first 4 kicks you need to know as a beginner. If you enjoyed doing that and you want to learn more kicks, or you want those breaking down into more detail, don't forget to subscribe to us. And again, drop in the comments if there's anything you struggled with there, and we can maybe do another video to explain further.